If you love the taste of great food cooked over a real fire, you're gonna love the flavor, versatility, and convenience of Traeger. It's the original wood pellet grill that started a revolution in outdoor cooking. And it's as easy to use as an oven. From auto start to auto shutdown, Traeger's game-changing automation takes the guesswork out of grilling. To start, pour 100% natural Traeger hardwood pellets into the hopper. With the grill lid open, switch on the grill and turn the dial to the smoke setting. At the bottom of the hopper, there's an auger that moves the pellets slowly to the fire pot, where they come in contact with the hot rod and ignite. A draft induction fan activates to circulate air throughout the grill and through the holes in the fire pot. In less than 5 minutes, your fire is started and you're ready to grill up a storm. The Digital Elite controller lets you set the temperature you want and essentially allows Traegers to function like a wood-fired oven. You just turn it on and go. Along with convenience and consistency, Traeger delivers unmatched versatility. With a temperate range of 150 to 450 degrees, you can grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue, allowing you to cook an entire meal, from appetizers to desserts, all on the same fire. Whether you're grilling steaks or slow smoking a brisket, you can rest easy knowing your Traeger is keeping an eye on the fire. So stop grilling and start Traegering.